हाँ भाई, तो ये बताओ ये क्या है? So as you all know, this is a simple water balloon. Alright. Now outside the body, when there is something like this, it is normal. Alright. But if this kind of a thing is there inside your mandible, like within your mandible, below the teeth, between the buccal and the lingual cortex, or if it is there in your maxilla or somewhere near the apices of the teeth, we call this a cyst. Alright. Definition तो हम हमेशा पढ़ते हैं, epithelium lined cavity containing fluid, semi fluid material. Basically कुछ नहीं है, एक पानी भरा हुआ गुब्बारा है. Basically it is an expanding balloon which is, so this outer lining of the balloon, that is the cyst lining, the epithelial lining which is forming the cyst. And inside that lining there is either a liquid or a semi-liquid material, like a cheesy material. If it is OKC or an odontogenic keratocyst, it is keratin which is there inside. If it is a dentigerous cyst, there is some oily straw colored fluid which is there inside. So basically ये पानी भरा हुआ गुब्बारा टाइप की चीज अगर आपके जॉ में है, mandible or maxilla, then this is called as a cyst. It's not a tumor, it is not a solid thing, it's a fluid or a semi-fluid filled cavity. Alright, and it has to be bounded by an epithelium. So ये जो गुब्बारे की lining है, ये epithelium है. If no epithelium, no cyst.